Welcome to this quick training video on Intervalometer. Intervalometer is a web application that allows you to take timed image grabs on your TriCaster system. This could be great for social media or even taking a time lapse of a live event. Now, the way you get Intervalometer set up and installed is you're first going to click the button here to download Intervalometer. Take the zip file you get, bring it to your TriCaster, unzip it, install it, and that will place the files on your system. After that, we need to go into a browser to access the application, and there is a little bit of information we need to be able to form the right URL. If you don't know what that will be, you can go to your TriCaster. In the upper right corner, you can click the globe icon, and in the window that pops up, it will give you the IP or computer name. So you can see in my case, it's 192.168.1.136. So I'm going to go back to my other computer here, go to a blank tab, and I'm going to type in 192.168.1.136, and then you're going to type /intervalometer. All right, and once you get that typed in, you'll hit enter, and this will open up the Intervalometer application. Now, this is a pretty simple and straightforward application. You're going to choose how often photos are taken, and that could be on as many minutes as you want, from 1 minute to as many minutes as you'd like. You can also choose how many pictures are taken on each cycle. So you could say, hey, every 5 minutes, take 3 photos if that's what you wanted. Each photo will be taken 1 second apart from the last one, so there will be a little bit of spacing between them. And then down here, it just tells you what's going on, how long till the next cycle, how many photos it's taken on there. And so you can start this up by hitting start, and then the system will just start doing what it needs to do. Now, one thing we might want to set up before we hit start is just the grab settings inside the TriCaster. So if I go in here and go into my grab icon, I can click the gear. I can go and give my image grabs a name. Let's just say these are grab images. I don't know. And then I could choose where they're going to go. Maybe they're going to go into DDR or graphics player. And now that I have that set, that will be the default base file name and where they'll appear in my system. Now, you don't have to have them show up in a DDR. They could just be grabbed onto the hard drive, and then you could just go use them later if you wanted to. But I'll go in here and I'll hit start. And this will start the system, and it will even start with doing some image grabs right off the bat. Now, I just have it doing 1 grab a minute. So if I go over and look in the TriCaster, you can see there's already 1 image grab in there from the first one. But there is also, as you notice, a grab button on the interface, and you can also use this to add additional grabs if you wanted to. So this could be useful. Something's going to happen, and you want to grab photos right then versus having to wait for the next cycle to occur. And grabbing images will not interrupt the cycle. So it will still do the image grab on the next cycle around as well. So if I go back over here and I'm just going to click the grab button, you can see it just grabbed another image. I will click the grab button again, and it should grab another image, and there it is. So hopefully you find Intervalometer useful, and thank you.